Today, people, let's have a look at X3 matrix and how the dashboard works. And I also want to tell you, or show you how to upgrade your positions the fastest. Right, so if you follow that procedure, it will automatically just push everyone up. The smart contract will do that for you. So, but you just need to understand the basics, and that is applicable to each and every position in X3 matrix. Right, so my name is Johan Botha. I am from South Africa. I'm not a financial advisor, tax advisor, or legal advisor. So everything that you do, you participate voluntarily in X3 Matrix in any decentralized or online platform. You participation is entirely out of your own free will. Nothing can be guaranteed. But I want to explain to you how this smart contract of X3 Matrix works. It's a low entry cost fee and its fast flow system. We are still in pre-launch at this moment, but the reason for that is we need to understand how the smart contract operates and how the smart contract routes the positions and upgrades everyone to higher levels. There is 14 positions on each matrix grid or board. You will see when you log in, you will have a referral tree. Please do not confuse this with your payout tree. This is your traditional matrix. This one is referred, that one, 2 and 3 is directly follows of number 1. 4 and 5 is directly follows of 2. And 36 and 58 is of directs of 4. So this is your directs and their directs in this 14 positions. This has got enough, but you will use this to understand the payout matrix. Right, and I will get to that as well. Right, only the first position looks, all 12 levels are unlocked already because it's the first position. Right, so you can see that the difference is in, and this is already on cycle number 6. 5 has been completed in cycle 1 of level 1. So this works and it looks the same, but it works totally different. Right, so there's a breakdown of everything on the dashboard here as well. You just scroll down, you will read here that position number 1 and number 2 spell up. Right, so position number 1 on your payout matrix. Take note on your payout matrix. This position spills up 1 level above you. So it will go to your inviter basically. It will not go to you. Position number 2 spills up 2 positions on top of your inviter. Alright, so then you will have indicated here in the different colors. Each green is your direct payment, direct dividend, which is position or slot number 3. This is now the second cycle. On the first cycle, it is slot 3, slot 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 goes directly to your wallet. That is your payments on cycle 1. There's 2 different cycles. The first time when you enter, you will have a new cycle. You will start on a new cycle. So this is already on cycle number 6 of level 1. Let's just go there. This one is his first cycle. You will see that this is the first cycle. This is also a first cycle. Here you see first cycle level 1. This is now level 4. On the first cycle of level 4. Well, any cycle, it will look like this. Your position 4 and 5 is your upgrade positions. Position 4 holds back your funds for upgrade. When position 5 comes in, it will be counted together and it will just double and it will upgrade you to the next level. When position 5 on your first cycle is your major player here. The position 5 on your first cycle is going to upgrade you to a higher level. So let's say, for instance, on level 5, when these positions are filled, and that's what we are currently doing now, we are pushing these. Position 2 comes in, it will go up 2 positions above number 1. So number 3 comes in, that will be direct payment to number 1. Then 4 comes in, it will be held back by the smart contract. That's why you see the balance on the smart contract as well. It's kept for upgrade funds. When position 5 comes in here, it will upgrade position 1 to level 6, which is still empty at this moment. Right, and then position 6 will be a direct payment as well. Right, let's just go back there. And now cycle 1 is completed. So cycle 2 looks like this. Then position number 4 pays out to the royal pool, the weekly royal pool that pays out every Friday night, 12 o'clock South African time. It gets distributed between the winners. There's 4 different categories, which I'm not going to explain at this moment. But then position number 5 is another direct payment, extra payment that goes directly to your wallet. You see on cycle 2 it is green now. On cycle 1 it is blue. I mean white. Your payout, your upgrade funds here on cycle 1 is white, but on your subsequent cycles, so from cycle 2 and onwards, there's unlimited number of positions or cycles that you can do. You can see this one just needs one more position to recycle, and that's position 14. That will pay for your recycling, and it will fall on your uplines board. This will follow the upline. So in this case of 1, it will follow number 1 again. As you can see there, 1 is already paid number 1, but it went to the fund that is kept for the maintenance of the system. Right, so position number 5 on the subsequent cycles goes to the royal pool. Right, and remember every cycle or every level, the funds double. Cycle 1 is 0.001, then it's 0.002, and there it is indicated the amount. So everything doubles. So your upgrade funds here, when it gets to 0.002, number 5 will upgrade you to level 3 again. On level 3, the cost is 0.004. Yeah, when it reaches position 5 on the first cycle, it will upgrade you to level 4 because it has enough funds now, 0.008 for level 4. And then on level 4, you get upgraded to level 5 when position number 5 lands. In this case, it was 11. So you can see here, there 0.004 came in and held by the smart contract. Number 11 landed here. It doubled the funds. The smart contract does it automatically. You don't have to do anything. This happens automatically. The smart contract is autonomous. It operates on its own. It doesn't need to sleep or food to eat or to wake up or anything. As long as the internet connection is there, it will operate. It's written, the codes that is written in the smart contract is the engine of this platform. No one can make changes. No one can stop it. The only thing that can stop this platform from operating is if the internet totally collapses and stops working. But if that is the case, then the world will have to worry about something else. Then you won't worry about how the smart contract operates. Right, so then position number 6 is another direct payment position. Let's just carry on here. Position 7 is it goes down 1 level to your. Now here is where your referral matrix comes in, where you need to understand that. Position 7 goes down 1 level to your left under your direct referrals. So that means when position 7 lands on your board on any level, it will always work the same. So position 7, and it is stated here, let me just see here, spills down 1 level, but where is that 1 level now? The contract routes the payment to an eligible direct downline. That downline must first, the contract will look for a position on your first level down below you, which in this case is number 2 and 3 on my first level, but which one now? It's on the left first. Right, so position number 7 goes under number 2. And the position number 2 must be qualified. By qualified, we mean it must have 2 directs at least. So in this case, it has more than 2 directs, so it does qualify. So position 2, on that position 2, level 1, you will see 3005 will appear there as well. Let us go to number 2. Let's just change this tab here. We use the search function, and we go to number 2. This is the level 1, and we see 3055. Right. You can see it's already cycle 9, so that one, and it's the old number, this is 36. So that's 3005 was from the previous cycle that it already landed there, and it already moved this cycle. It was in the previous cycle it landed. So you can see this is the current cycle 1 or level 1 of number 2. So the 3005 was in the previous cycles, right? So it landed on this board. It can also land on a red position, a spill down position. Then the contract will just route it that way. But let's just carry on there. On position number 7, spills down 1 level to your left on your personal referral. So this is your first level. It will go to the left under position number 2. Right. Position number 8 and 9 is another direct payment to you. Position 10 is a spill down again, 1 level to your right. So that means 3617 fell or will fall under number 3 on your right, on your first level. Right, so let's go to number 3 and see if it might still be there. Words of the movement, these boards cycle quite quickly. Right, level 1, 3617, there it is. This is cycle 5 already. 3617, and there you can see it is spilled down, goes 1 level down to your right. So 1 level down is number 3, it's to your right is number 3. And we go to number 3, it's level 1, cycle 5 already. So 3617, it fell in the first open position on position number 3's level 1 matrix. So when this came in, that means the same applies now. When this position comes in, it spills up 1 position to the inviter of 3, which is number 1. What that means is the smart contract routed the position here, 3617, when it registered. It fell there, and it routed it down 1 position, but the payment fell in position number 1, and it came back to this position. So you didn't miss the funds came in here. It was routed back to position number 1. All right, then you can see here that it is indicated as well, 3617, and it showed there routed, and there it is paid. It came in and it fell in the next open position, which is number 11 and then 12 again. So 12 is your direct payments again. 13 spills down 2 levels to your left. Right, let's look at 2 levels. That means it goes under, this is level 1, level 2 of your referral matrix. So under position number 4 is your second level, and this position 13 spills down 2 levels. The contract routes the payment to an eligible second level downline to your left. Right, so that is position number 4. And let's go to number 4. Let's see that cycle, it's a level 1 position, that one, and the number of that one is 3689. Right, 3689 landed on users 1, and yeah, it's highlighted here as well. Goes down 2 levels reported here, but payment routed by the contract. All right, so let's go to position number 4. In a different tab, let's have a look. position number 4, level 1. 3689, and there it is. So that fell there in position number 12 of cycle 2 for position 4. Right, and it paid position number 4. That is how that works, right? So this is the difference between your referral matrix tree. This is your directs and their directs. So when you only your first 2 directs will appear on this matrix. If you register another direct, it will fall down on its own and start its own matrix as well. It will appear in other referral matrices, but you need to go and search for that. It will not appear on this matrix, but it will be right at the bottom. You will see your direct partners position. Now 1 can only refer number 2 and 3, and it will appear here. Your more directs will appear here. So it will definitely fall in your same structure, but it will not show on your direct referral tree, this one. This one works according to the payout matrix, the smart contract rules. So please don't confuse it between each other. You can use this one to help you understand this one, especially with the spill down positions. And then the recycling, it follows the upline again. All right. So you will never ever lose. The only way you can lose or miss funds is when you do not have 2 directs. And that is very, very easy. But the smart contract will skip you then, and then it will go to the eligible upline that is qualified, or to the treasury fund in the smart contract, which is used for support and maintenance. Right, but it's not that much. It's currently $60 for 1 position in X3 matrix. Right now, how do you upgrade? And that's what we are busy with now. Let us go and I'll show you. Move that one. Currently, I want to push level position 5 to level 4, because level 5 is still on level 3, and it needs 1 direct on level 3, and that will upgrade it to level 4. So because this is the current status of level 4, there will always be positions or space available, but level 5 needs more positions. Right, so level 4 has got open positions, so we need to push position 5 and 6 to higher levels. So currently we're working on number 6, that's correct, number 6, which you can see is the referrer used in position number 3's ID or link. It's got 22 team total volume and 6 directs. You will not see the directs, only the first 2 directs, 75, 76 appears on this, and there is another one that is we're going to add. I'm actually busy at the moment adding this one, 1, 2, 8, 4 to get 2 directs. And you will see that on this referral matrix, it will show you number of directs. That one has got 3, that one has got 2, 3, 3, and so on. And that one has got 0. Right, it must be green for it to qualify to receive more funds. You can see number 6 is on level 3 only. Right, so this one, when that position landed, it upgraded to level 3. And then 42 is following. It's the first one. So 42 landed here. It went up 1 position above 6, meaning it went to number 3. Let's go to number 3 and look at that level 3. Take note that the levels must correspond. 42, you will find it on position number 3, level 3. Let's have a look there. This is 24. 3, level 3. And 42 is right here. So it received the payment here. It landed there in a spill down position. Then it routed back to come and pay it again. Now, this is very interesting. let's see, 42 went down one level to the left. And where's this referral matrix? There it is. So it went down under number 6 position. First level to the left, that is under number 6. Number 6, this one on level 3. And it is exactly this position. So it just went back there. And that's why it paid number 3 again on level 3. Right, it's already upgraded to level 4, position number 3. So we also need to get this one, push it to level 5. Right, but currently we're working on number 6 to get them up there. And it's basically just what you need to do, you just work on your downline. So what we're going to do now, we're going to see it's 76. 75 is already there, 76 we are working on now. 76 is just one that needs, okay, that bottom level. If you can complete your referral matrix and everyone is green, it will push you to level 2 in any case. But the fastest way to do it is, let's go to level 1. Remember, you can only add positions on level 1 with 0.001 BNB. You can't enter on higher levels, level 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to take the route from the bottom, and the smart contract will accumulate the funds and do the payouts and the upgrades automatically. So what we need to do is we need to remember your upgrade position is number 5. That's the main one you want. These ones will carry on. It will automatically push you up and pay you and so on. The main thing to worry about is position 4 and 5 on your first cycle. Subsequent cycles, it will not upgrade you. It will just complete the royal pool or feed the royal pool, and then add you another direct payment as well. All right, so on cycle 1, you want to work on getting position 5 on all the levels filled. So you can see here, currently, this is the one we want to push 76 to level 3. Still needs 1, 2, 3 positions to go to level 3 here. Then, because this is cycle 1, when position 5 lands here, it will upgrade it automatically to level 3. And level 3, it will land in number 6 matrix under number 6, which is the inviter on level on this XP matrix. So that means it will come and fall here. 76 will fall here. All right, I will do that and I will give an update later then. All right, if you're watching this on YouTube, please reach out. The contact is in the contact information is in the description. And then we can get you on the road. All right, please understand this is how the smart contract works, and there is the smart contract. You can also go to it live from the dashboard. There it is, view smart contract. You can either press here anywhere, it will take you to the smart contract. All right, and this, let me just enlarge it a bit. All right, it ends with BBA1. There is a smart contract, it's just updated. Yes, take note, I can read your mind. There is money on this smart contract. This money, nobody can touch it. This money is kept by the smart contract for the upgrade. Right, and as you can see there, 13 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, 30, 35, sometimes of the day, there's very lots of activity. Currently, around 200 to 300 positions are getting registered every day now. Right, we are on 3,800. Just before this meeting, it was 3,820. So you can see the smart contract is verified, exact match. Let's read the contract. Last user ID is 3825 now, 3,825. And this is 21 days, 20 days ago. This contract was deployed 20 days ago, so just about 3 weeks. Right, and it has paid out quite a number of BNB already. Let's see, where is that? All right, but there is lots of BNB that if you qualify, you're getting paid immediately. We're using BNB on the OPBNB network because of speed and low gas fees. It's literally to transfer BNB on OPBNB network is $1 even less sometimes. And the price of BNB is down at this moment. It's now, excuse me, sitting at 600 US dollars. There you can see one BNB is 600 US dollars. So when we started, it was 650, and then over the weekend it went up to over 700. So now it's even less, $600. If it goes down more, it's just going to be much more affordable to come in here, because that's the basic reason for X3. Many people say, oh, but they don't want to waste too much time. You can do what you want. You can choose whatever you want to do. This is catering for everyone, because most people do not have the $100, $200, $300 lying around just to start something. Yeah, you can start and you can build this up yourself. You can open or register an unlimited number of wallets in SafePal Wallet. Just make sure you write down the words of all the wallets, and there is uh, nothing that prevents you from registering multiple wallets. There's no KYC. Please make sure that you don't use money that you cannot afford to lose. It's 10 Rand 60 US dollar cents for one position in X3 Matrix. Right. This is not financial advice. What I'm doing here is I'm explaining to you how the smart contracts work. Right. You still need to, you are still liable for your own tax declarations and everything. Right. Nothing is guaranteed here. The smart contract cannot stop. No one can stop it. No one can make adjustments to it. The codes are written here. This is what is managing this smart contract, and no one can stop it or change it except if the internet completely goes down. So you can see the cost, it doubles from one level to the next level. Right, and so the upgrade cost doubles, but you don't pay for the upgrade costs out of your pocket again. You one-time startup and you support the team, and it will upgrade you to the higher levels. How long it's going to take? Yes. It all depends on the movement and the activity in the smart contract to answer that question. All right, but the payout earnings also increases and doubles as you upgrade to the next levels. Remember, on cycle 1, you're getting paid 6 times from one level. On cycle 2, you're getting paid 7 times. All right. So this cycle 1, you're getting paid 6 times. Cycle 2 and subsequent cycles, you're getting paid 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the green ones. Now the blue one is for the royal pool that is going to the here's the results of the second week, last week Friday. You see there's 4 different categories. All right, top overall builder, that's the person that, or the position that referred the most positions, and you're getting points here. You just see where is the points, somewhere that it's only the position admin dashboard that has these one, these things. You will see this. Number 2 was the top direct referrer, got the most directs. Builder that includes everything, directs, those that help their team to upgrade and recycle. That was user 9. And then number 1, 2, 5, 4 was the top team qualifier, means qualified 5 of his team, he qualified to receive funds, basically. All right. This one received 24 points. The upgrade and the recycle, the bowler. Person that recycled most of the position. Right, so there is the funds that is getting distributed immediately, same time to the winners, right before 12 o'clock on South African time every Friday night, midnight. Right, and it gets split into 40%, 20, 20, 20. And there you can see it as well. Right, it's been paid and it's been shared on the group as well. So there's still 1 day left. That means tomorrow night at midnight, this counter will run out. Friday, 12 o'clock South African Standard Time. This is the current 3824 positions, because the smart contract it adds another position there. So this is the live count, 3824 position. Right, so here's the builder score. You get 1 point for direct referral, 3 points for direct team qualifies, 2 points for direct team that upgrades in your downline that upgrades, and 4 points for your direct team that recycles, meaning they complete any level 1 or any level position 14 that recycles. So you can see this is level 1 for position 1 is already on cycle number 6. Position 2 is got more. Position 2, I think it's got 9 already. Yeah, 9. It's the 9th cycle. It completed 8 already. So level 1 on its way to. There you can see it's continuous recycling, and it just started and it started building. So nothing major or spectacular, but that is how it works. Level 2 is already on cycle 3. Level 3 is on cycle 2 already. Level 4 is the first cycle. All right, and you can see that that one came in yesterday and it routed back and paid it again. Right, level 5, it's on level 5, it's only number 1 and 2 on level 5 at the moment. So yes, that is how this is working, because we are building currently on 76. Let me get that up on the red matrix for people to understand. 1285. We've got 2. Now we're going to go to 3778. Right, so 1285. So you can see 1285 already has 2 directs. So what we're going to do, we're going to add 1 direct to 3778. It will land there. Any position that you register now, it will always land in position number 3. If you use your own link, it will also fall there. So what we're going to do, we just want to get to position number 5 to upgrade this position to level 2, meaning it will fall in 187's line, and 187 is going to push through to 6. You can see it's 3378. We're going to put 1 there, we're going to put 1 there, and we're going to use that one's link to upgrade it or to push it to level 5. level 2. So 1, so that 1285 is going to 187. Yeah, 1285 is going to fall here. And then we're going to work on 1286, that will fall here on level 2. And this, we're going to do that until we reach level position 5, slot 5 here on level 2, which it will upgrade number 187 to level 3, and 187 will populate under 76, level 3, level 2. All right, that will then fall under number 6 because it's already on level 3. So 187 will come and fall here. All right, so we are currently in the process of doing that, and then I'll share the outcome of that again. All right, thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen. And if you're watching on YouTube, please reach out. The WhatsApp link is in the description. All right, have a nice day. God bless. Thank you. Bye bye.